Let's see if we can get an SD card. Let's try CVS. Maybe they have SD cards. There's one store I was trying to check here. They don't have it. Let me try CVS. If not, I'll go to Highlandale. SD cards. And they are not as cheap. Oh. They ain't cheap at all. They are not cheap. 64 GB for 45. 64 GB for $45. No way. No way. 32 GB, $39. 128 GB for 58.99. Ha 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 ha. Way too expensive, man. Way too expensive. Is it worth it? You know what? They're way too expensive. What I'll do is I'll go try in Towson. Let me go try in Towson and see if they're expensive. Let's catch a bus to Towson or Highlandale. Bus is right there. Right here in Highlandale at Metro by T. The road is here. There's a car coming. Alright, I'm gonna hold on. There's a lady skating here. She's having a time of her life. So let's try over here. Thank you. Let's try here Metro by T. They might be having it.
Yeah, it's on this side. You see what?
Told me to try by Cricket. But there's a shop here called Cricket by Planet Fitness. Cricket. Here's Cricket. Let's get it.
So for this one, it's gonna be $79.48.
$79?
It's the 128.
I don't know. SD cards are
It has more
expensive.
storage though. The other one's gonna be more. The 256 is gonna be more. But that one's gonna be what, maybe $20 more.
The Applebee. Yeah. Say $79?
Yeah.
79?
Let me do this again, so I can see if I can give you this one.
Oh, that'd be good. $20 more.
90?
Anyway, it wasn't in my plans, but if I had planned for it, I would have bought it, but it wasn't in my plans. Yeah, I'm trying to make a video of the whole process that I went and bought the SD card and assembled the camera. All right, thank you. What's your name?
Jennifer.
Jennifer? Mm-hmm. All right, nice to meet you. I'm Harrison. Bye-bye.
Harrison?
Yeah. I bought it. $79, man. Wow. Anyway, I hope it's worth it. Maybe it's gonna return the money. Let's hope so. Otherwise, I wasn't expecting to spend a lot of money like this. Let me wait for the bus. I wanna go home, hide somewhere and cry a little bit because this has drained me, man. Such a small thing costing way too much.